I'm Siggy. I'm hanging out here at Jafram, where the motorcycle gear experts and I love to show you the product before you spend that hard-earned cash. Today I'm going to show you the Bell Star with the graphics package called the Spirit. This is pretty cool. This is the blue one. It also comes in a red, where it's just some of the colors are mixed, but it's the same graphic. We'll look here in the front. You see it wrap up the front almost in a Transformers look to it. It's pretty cool. And it runs around. You got some pearl white mixed in with that blue and that red, and then the back joins in right here, or the black joins in right here toward the back, excuse me. As we turn around the helmet, we'll see the graphics do not stop. They even go all the way down that integrated spoiler there at the back, and it's the exact same on the other side. And the graphic is just entirety, just a cool broken up graphic. There's nothing really, you know, picturesque about it. It just is a lot of fit together shapes and things just to make a really nice looking graphic. It's sharp, it's clean. And remember, anytime you order one of Bell Stars, you don't just get that regular helmet bag that you're used to. You get a nice duffel bag to keep your investment safe and protected. And in this duffel bag, it's not just any duffel bag, it's actually covered in felt on the inside, so it keeps that helmet, you know, really safe and no scratches guaranteed. It's a nice little bag, nice little additive. I just thought I'd throw that in there. If you got any other questions about the helmet itself, take a look at the Solid Colors video where we do a full breakdown of the helmet. If your questions surpass that, feel free to give us a call at 1-877-GO-HELMET, or you can visit us at Jafram.com, where we have motorcycle gear experts standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to answer all of your gear related questions. Watch us on YouTube, like us on Facebook. We'd love to hear back from our customers, because here at Jafram, you do the riding, but let us go the extra mile. I'm Siggy, and we'll see you next time.